Tell me about why you wanted to do the Straight Faced.
I saw it advertised last year, and last year I was late to organize it anyway. I wouldn't have tried last year because it was very busy and everything, but this year I said, okay, let's do it. And I contacted a few of the neighbors through a WhatsApp group, and we put it together. But it was very simple. We put some music on, there were drinks and chairs and tables, and it was really nice. And no, I think everyone was pleased to come, and a few people stopped by.
Vanessa mentioned it to me a few weeks ago, and I thought it was a great idea. I'd seen photos online last year of the street feast that was held in Dublin and a few others from other parts of the country, and thought it was a great way to get out and about, meet new neighbours, catch up with the neighbours you already know, and enjoy being outdoors and getting to know people with the kids and just in the immediate area.
Whenever you live somewhere, you hope there's something going on so that you have an excuse to, I don't know, to come out and meet the others. Yeah, it's nice.